Hello there, it's Cassie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So excited. It's January 1st, so first of all, Happy New Year, everybody. And second of all, I have the brand new Lots of Love inspiration box from Brutus Monroe. And if this is any indication of how adorable this stamp set's probably going to be and how, yeah, I haven't seen anything like this on the market, but okay. So I say this every month. If you watch any of my unboxings, one of the things I just love about the box is just how it comes. I mean, look at how cute that is. This shows up and you cannot help but have, like, it's happy mail. You can't help but be happy. So that's what it looks like. This is the January 2020 box. I can't believe we're in 2020. That just blows my mind. But anyway, all right, so let's go ahead and take a look at what is inside. I haven't opened it yet. All I did was cut it. So I'm excited. All right. Okay, I'm going to set this off to the side. And oh my goodness, look at the enamel pin. Can you see that? It's a little box of chocolates and it says love you. Is that not adorable? Oh my gosh. The detail on those little chocolates is just too much. Love it. Okay, so there's your pin. You always get a pin. Well, this one has lots of great embellishments. Oh, goodness. Okay, so let's start with the Sequin Pack. Oh, my goodness. There's little tiny keys in here. Let's see if I can get some of this out. Oh, I have never seen anything like this. These are so great. Look at that. Okay, so we have little rosebuds. Some of them are bigger, too. So we've got some bigger ones. Then we have some clear sequins. We have some little, like, mirror hearts. Look at the keys. Can you see that? I am blown away. I don't know that I've ever seen anything so adorable and tiny in all of my days. That is so cute. Oh my gosh. So, yeah, it looks like all the clear sequins are the same. All of the hearts are the same, and then, but the rosebuds are a little bit different, so I love those. Those are great. And then you have those tiny little keys. I'm just obsessed with those. Think of the shakers. Oh my goodness. Those are so cute. Okay. So there is that, and this is a very generous little portion of shaker elements or, you know, embellishments. Check that out. Okay, so there is that. Oh, that is just too cute. Okay, we also have, I think this is some really amazing embossing powder. I don't know which one this is. I don't know if this is one that's already in the store or not. But let's stamp it out real quick so that you know what it looks like. I'll stamp with this one. It just says enjoy. So I just want you to have an idea. Let's see if that'll fit across. Oh, just look at this. Oh. And I'm probably going to make a mess because this is what I do. I'm too lazy to. Oh, that is gorgeous. Let's heat that. Okay. Look at that. That is a beautiful pink color, and I think it did beautifully on that stamp. So, yeah. And there's a lot here. So you have this entire little pot of embossing powder, this hot pink embossing powder, and I love it. So, all right. So let's move on. Let's move on. So you've got that. Beautiful. All right, and then we have, okay, I love these. Oh my gosh. These are too cute. These are too cute. Look at these tiny little hearts. And there is a bunch of them in there. Oh my gosh, they're so stinking cute. You get like you get red, pink, and white, and look at those. Oh, I want to embellish everything with them. And yeah, there's quite a few in here. So you could add those to a shaker, or you could just, oh man, this is going on all the cards. I love these. And they're not, you know, they're not so thick at all, actually, that they would impede sending those through the mail. But oh my gosh, those are so cute. Oh, and then here we have our ribbon. And it looks like I have 3 different kinds on here. Now I imagine that maybe we'll all get the same, we might not, but look at how pretty that is. Talk about beautiful. And this one's almost like a cream. No, maybe not. A little bit. But they're so pretty. And they're not thick, so that's nice too. So those will go great on the cards. And as always, your little laser cut. There's a little surprise on there. I won't show you. You'll have to get the kit yourself to see it. But there we go. And then we have a bunch of doilies. Oh my gosh. And I don't know that I've seen them in some of these colors. Look at all the doilies. Oh goodness. So we have a couple of natural looking color, a light pink, 2 of those, a dark pink, and then white. I love doilies. Nothing says Valentine's more than doilies, right? Okay, so that's awesome. You get 8 doilies. And I love using doilies just on cards anyway, so that's awesome. Oh, the foilables. Oh, here we go. Now, I haven't seen these at all, so it's going to be a surprise for me too. All right, so we have 2 of these. Oh goodness, look at the lips. 2 of the lips. Look at that one. And then that one says love. So you can foil these. You don't have to foil them. These are great to alcohol marker color on. They're also great for sponging, but they are good for foiling. And I know Brutus Monroe has, you know, some really great colors. They released one not that long ago, like a red sketch, I believe. So that would be nice on any of these, but we're going to be doing some foiling. These are fantastic. I love these. I always love the foilables though. And you know what's neat is that since there's 8 here, I mean, it's basically 8 card fronts. So, I mean, that alone, you can get so many cards out of one kit. And you won't just have to make cards, all kinds of projects. So, love those. Oh, look at the laser cuts. Ooh, and mine even has a straight heart in there. So look at that. Oh goodness, these are so pretty. Okay, so these are the front, like an A2 size front. So here is an A2, which measures 4 1/4 by 5 1/2 inches, and that will fit perfectly on the front of an A2 size card. And then we also have this one, which will fit perfectly as well, almost perfectly. So you might just have to trim down just a little bit, but I love it. Or you can have a nice little border. And then I even have a little extra heart. So maybe you'll have 1 or 2 as well. So you can color that. These are great because I've sponged on them, or I've put, you know, ink on them. You could cover them with your embossing ink, and you could emboss it. Whatever you want to do. Those are beautiful. And so you get a couple of those. And I love how they fill the front of the A2 size card, since that's primarily what I make. But you know, you could also cut this down if you wanted. You know, these are not that thick that you couldn't do that. So love those. And then there's also an embossing folder. This is the Dries embossing folder. Does this one have a name? Valentine Heart. So that's really pretty. Love that. That's what it'll look like. Very beautiful. All right, let's go on to the paper pack, because I'm saving the stamp set for last. Okay, so we have, and these ones measure 5 1/2 inches by 8 1/2 inches. So you get 2 pink. So you get 2 pink. We're gonna get this light blue. Those are pretty. You have a white. Then you have a gray. Then you have 2 black. And then we also have some gorgeous glitter stock. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. It's probably causing my camera to freak out, but I love their glitter stock. It doesn't come off on your fingers, easy to die cut with. It's just beautiful. So that's the paper pack. These colors are fantastic. Go wonderfully with our pink embossing powder. And then the stamp set. The stamp set. And I'm telling you, the boxes are worth, I mean, just the stamp set alone, those are typically $23.99. And so, oh my gosh, look at this. You get these 4 awesome little images. Like a little chihuahua, a unicorn, a kitty. And is this a little penguin or a little owl? Oh goodness, you could do either. So cute. And then you have some little hearts, XOXO, you are loved, love, and I love that font. And then hugs and kisses. Oh my gosh, these are great. So it wouldn't have to necessarily be Valentine's. If you sent just hugs and kisses, you could make these any color you wanted. I love this set. This set is called Lots of Love. That's adorable. So if this, these are always available separately, but like I said, they're $23.99. The kit, I mean, with everything you get in the kit, it's like, why not, right? So, okay, well, keep your eyes peeled. I'm clearly going to be making some goodies with this. I still have a little bit of family in town, so it might be a few more days than normal, but just keep your eyes out. If you haven't subscribed, do so that you don't miss what I make. I typically do 5 cards, 1 kit. This one may have more than that because the ideas are a-flowing. So if you like this video, hit the like button. And like I said before, subscribe so that you don't miss anything. And as always, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you very soon in the next video. Bye, guys.